Hello guys, that's Paulina, and in this video I want to tell you about 5 amazing hotels in Egypt. So these hotels are very famous and popular and a bit expensive, but they are fantastic. So the first hotel is called Coral Sea Water World. This hotel is a fantastic choice for families because it has its own big water park right on site. You don't ever need to leave the resort to have fun. The kids can spend all day going down the exciting water slides and playing in the special children's pools and splash areas. For adults, there are also relaxing pools and a lovely beach where you can swim in the calm Red Sea. The rooms are comfortable and the food is great with lots of different restaurants to choose from. It's the perfect place for a fun and easy family holiday where everyone is happy. It's the best hotel for families with kids of all ages, and the best part of this hotel is it's huge on-site water park that is free for all guests to use as much as they want. Also, you see some information about the ranking. And we're going to the next hotel that's called Peak Albatross Palace Resort. When you stay at this hotel, you feel like you are in a giant, beautiful place from ancient Egypt. The buildings are very grand with big arches and domes, and the gardens are huge and beautifully green. There are so many swimming pools that you can try a new one every day. You will also find many restaurants serving food from all over the world, so you will always have something new to eat. In the evenings, you can watch professional shows like live music and dancers. This hotel is so big and has so many things to do that you will always be entertained. It's the best choice for travelers who want a huge resort with endless options for food and fun. And the best part of this hotel is that this place is just simply amazing, like the design and the sheer size of the resort with its many facilities. Also, you see some information about the ranking. That's 9.4 on Booking. And we're going to the next hotel. And from my choice, the next hotel is the best one. So that's called Rix's Premium Seagate. This hotel offers a more quiet and grown-up atmosphere, which is perfect for couples or friends traveling together. The design is modern and stylish with clean lines and a calm feeling everywhere. You can relax by peaceful adult-only pool without any noise and enjoy a drink from the swim-up bar. The service is very friendly and personal, making you feel well looked after. The food of the restaurant is of high quality with delicious options. If you're looking for a relaxing and sophisticated holiday without the crowds, this is the perfect place for you. So the best part about this hotel is that it's calm, adult-focused, and it has chic design. Well, and that's good for couples and adults wanting a peaceful and stylish break. And next we're going to Sunrise Diamond Beach Resort. The main reason to stay at this hotel is its absolutely stunning beach. The sand is soft and clean, and the water is a brilliant turquoise color. You can walk straight from your sandbed into the sea to go snorkeling and see beautiful fish and coral. The resort itself is very welcoming with a friendly staff that helps you with anything you need. There are several pools, including ones for children, and the rooms are comfortable and bright. It's a classic beach holiday where beautiful sea and sand are the real stars. This hotel is the best for sunbathers, swimmers, and anyone who loves being by the sea. And the best part about this hotel is the direct access to one of the best beaches in Sharm with incredible snorkeling right offshore. And finally, we're going to the last hotel in this list. So that's called Pic Albatros Royal Moderna. So this is a very lovely and cheerful hotel where there is always something fun happening. The animation team works hard to keep guests entertained with activities like water gymnastics, dance lessons, and beach games throughout the day. In the evening, there are a lot of interesting fun shows that the whole family can enjoy. The all-inclusive package is great, meaning most of your food, drinks, and snacks are already paid for. The rooms are modern and comfortable, and the overall vibe is very social and friendly. It's a great place to make new friends and have a carefree holiday. It's the best for families and fun-loving travelers who want lots of activities and entertainment. And the best part about this hotel is the excellent all-inclusive package and the non-stop schedule of fun games and shows. So that's all in this video. I hope I gave you some information about the most famous and the most popular hotels in Egypt, in Sharm El Sheikh. And if you want to visit one of these hotels, be sure that your holiday is going to be amazing, fascinating, sophisticating, and you will never forget about the experience that you get in one of these hotels. Amazing shows, beaches, food, restaurants, and all the facilities that are offered at these hotels just make you remember everything, and you will never regret choosing one of these hotels. Bye for now.